By the way, I am doing a Q&A. I should have said it probably like 4 minutes ago. But I am doing a Q&A, so please leave your Q&A questions down below if you have any questions to ask me. I'll answer all my questions in my next video that I film. This piece of slap. She was saying she went to her husband and asked, can they have an open relationship? You have a huge platform. Why showcase something like that? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing Little Caesars thin crust pizza. I have extra cheese pizza. Y'all know I love extra cheese pizza. I don't really like toppings on my pizza. And I have some onion rings that I made from scratch. So yeah, I made these. They are huge. Look how big these are, y'all. And I also have some Baby Ray's barbecue sauce in here. Ooh, I'm glad that didn't spill. I almost spilled that. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get to eating, and I'll talk to y'all in a second. Junior, can you get my water out the freezer? Thank you. Can you give me a straw? I have some sparkling black cherry ice mountain water. So yeah, this pizza is good. Y'all, I just got done choking. I had to cut that part out. As y'all can see my eyes watering. That would have been, excuse me, that would have been gross to keep that in there, so I had to cut that out. A lot of people don't like Little Caesars pizza, but I like it. Woo! I'm still running. Hopefully my lash don't fall off. See, I like thin crust pizza because it has a crunch to it. This was my first time making onion rings, y'all. I seasoned it really good. I'm proud of myself. Oh, this is really good, y'all. I'm proud of myself. This is so good. I haven't ate all day. It's like 7:30. Usually I eat pretty late. Not pretty late, but I eat once a day. I skip breakfast and lunch. I guess I didn't do too well because this one falling apart, so I don't know. Okay, now that I got some food on my stomach. Y'all, that chicken nugget challenge was crazy. And I appreciate, dip some barbecue, give me some barbecue sauce. I appreciate everybody that watched it. I know it was so long. I didn't expect anybody to watch it, to be honest. But I had to get it up because I'm like, I didn't eat 67 nuggets for nothing. I don't care how long this video is, it's going up. So, but it was so fun. My husband kept me entertained the whole time, y'all. He had me dying laughing. He kept pushing me like, you can do it, you can do it. Come on. If y'all would have seen the stuff that he was doing, y'all would have been like, oh my God, y'all would have been crying laughing. If you watched the video, you will see that I was cracking up. So, happy Friday. I typically don't, I know y'all probably like, an upload from Wani? I know y'all weren't expecting an upload from me until like next week. But I was feeding for some pizza and some onion rings, and I'm like, well, I might as well film it, you know? Let's forget about calories today. So, oh, I did want to thank, what's her name? The Food-I ASMR for tagging me in the chicken nugget challenge. I didn't know she tagged me in a chicken nugget challenge, so I wanted to shout out to her. Please go subscribe to her channel. Her ASMR channel is bomb, y'all. Like, really, it's so bomb. I'll put her channel in the description box below. Thank y'all for coming back each and every time I upload. I'm definitely going to do a shout out in my next video. By the way, I am doing a Q&A. I should have said it probably like 4 minutes ago. But I am doing a Q&A, so please leave your Q&A questions down below if you have any questions to ask me. I'll answer all my questions in my next video that I film. So this is so cute. This is so good. Y'all, I was watching Monique today. It was my first time watching her live. Y'all know Monique. If y'all don't know Monique, the comedian Monique. And she was talking about her open relationship with her husband. And me, I don't judge nobody's situation. Like, if that's what makes you happy, then go for it. It just threw me off guard because I've heard rumors about her having an open relationship with her husband, but I mean, I never knew it was true. So she was addressing it today. Her and her husband, apparently they addressed it before. And she was saying she went to her husband and asked, can they have an open relationship? But she was saying a lot of people thought that he came to her and said, you know, let's do open relationship type thing. But she was like, no, I was the one that asked my husband for that. And he has said, yeah, my wife, she likes to, sleep with other guys or whatever. And she was like, you trying to make me seem like a hoe? And he was like, no, not at all, But I don't know, like, I guess it's not for us to understand. Like, that's their situation, that's their marriage, and that's that, But I don't understand it, but again, it's not for me to understand. My thing with that is, if you are in an open relationship and you're married, my thing with her is, you have a huge platform. Why showcase something like that? That's just my opinion. Why not showcase something else? Like, you don't have to talk about your marriage and showcase that you have an open relationship. That's nobody business. Like, your marriage is your marriage. Nobody needs to know anything about that. So, if you have an open relationship, why are you telling everybody that? Like, I want to understand her point. Like, what's your point? Why are you addressing it or talking about it? Because it wasn't her first time talking about it. My thing is, if you addressing it, you're addressing it. You don't need to address it multiple times. People were calling her nasty in the comments on her live. People were saying things like, what they say, that you're nasty and you're messing up this generation and all kind of stuff. People were saying she was brainwashed, that he brainwashed her, a whole bunch of stuff. But she said she have a personality where, like, she move how she want to move, she always been that way. But whatever floats her boat, floats her boat. So. This piece of slap. So yeah, it's just a chill day for me. I'm just chilling around the house, chilling. Oh, I also want to give another birthday shout out. I'm gonna give a birthday shout out to, hold on, to Unappreciated Beauty. It was her birthday, I believe, yesterday or 2 days ago. Please go subscribe to her channel if you like beauty, hair reviews, makeup reviews, anything of that nature. You might want to go subscribe to her channel because she reviews a lot of things and she does her thing with the makeup. So I'm getting no napkin. Her talking about it just caught me completely off guard, y'all. Like, I was just like this. I was just stunned because that's the reason why I was so shocked is because it was something that I wasn't used to. You know what I mean? It was something that I just wasn't used to. So I was just like, what the hell is going on here? I wasn't judging her at all for it. That's one thing I really, really try my best not to do, is judge people. Because you never know what they've been through in a situation. But I was just stunned, like, just watching it, like, like, wow. And a lot of people was getting mad at her. Well, not necessarily mad. It was just feeling like, what the hell is she saying? Because she was calling her husband daddy. And people was like, why are you calling him daddy? Like, what? But, I mean, that's her husband. She can call him whatever hell she want to call him, you know? But a lot of people that grew up, I think, with their dad by their side and their daddy girls and stuff, they would never think about calling their husbands or boyfriends daddy. Me, on the other hand, it wouldn't matter because I didn't grow up with my daddy, so. That word means absolutely nothing to me. No shade at all. I'm smashing, y'all. This is too hard, so that's why. I'm not eating it. It's way too hard, and y'all know I got braces, so I'm not trying to break any brackets. I want to thank all my new subscribers. Thank y'all so much for subscribing. I really, really appreciate y'all. In October, I gained over 350 subscribers. Like, that's amazing. That people want to watch me. Like, what? I'm the most boring person on earth now. I hope y'all having a good day today. It's Friday. Y'all off. Y'all ain't got to go to work tomorrow. Y'all can chill. Or go out or do something. Woo. Okay. I'm getting full. I'm going to finish this onion ring though. I thought I was going to finish it, but I can't. I'm too full. Ooh, I smashed. The black cherry sparkling water. I'd rather just drink plain water, honestly. I had bought this because at my grocery store, it was, you get 6 of them literally off of 50 cents. Like, I had all kind of flavors. So, but all right, y'all. Thank y'all so much. Ooh, my lipstick rubbed all the way off, but that's okay. And my mascara running. Okay, guys, that was the end of this mukbang. I want to thank y'all so much for joining me once again in another video. If you have any food requests, please list them down below in the comment section below. Don't forget to leave your Q&A questions so I can answer your question in my next video and give you a shout out. So yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.